This video will show you how to use the Undelete feature in your Canvas class. If you've ever gone through Canvas, you might have done some house cleaning or straightening up modules or things of that nature, and for whatever reason you might have clicked the delete button and then it's gone. Going and looking for a trash can or some type of icon like that to find out where it is gone to, well, that's not so obvious in Canvas classes. So I'm going to throw you a little scenario here just to see how to demonstrate this Undelete feature, and hopefully it will become one of your Canvas best friends as well. So the scenario I'm going to run is, what if this building resources button here off of our homepage that takes us right down to this very clearly marked building specific resources, please leave published and do not edit for families. What if that accidentally is deleted? So let's do that in my course cleaning up or my modules. I don't think that's important, when in fact it very much so is important. But let's say even I make it past this failsafe here and I okay that delete. It is gone. There is no way to retrieve that module. Substitute the word module for a quiz maybe you've accidentally deleted, or a page that you've created and it had a whole bunch of links on it, and now it appears to be just absorbed in the Canvas void somewhere. So to get this back, the steps are pretty easy to do. Incidentally, if I go home now and I click building resources, I'm going to get a 404. I can't find it here, right? So we want to bring that back and restore that link, or that entire module in this case. So if you click on your home button and get your URL looking like this, so there's the domain /courses and then your course number and add a slash again, just type the word Undelete in there and hit enter. You're going to see a list, and maybe if you've done some major house cleaning, a few pages of items that you've deleted by accident. And here, going along with the pretend scenario, I've deleted 2 modules, building specific resources for families. That's from last year. That came over with my course copy. And I guess in my excitement here of our imaginary pretend scenario, I forgot I deleted it, and I deleted the one I need to leave there. So, as you can see, I simply hit the restore button. Are you sure you want to resurrect that, Phoenix? Sure, let's bring it back. Up here you can see some assignment tools that I've also deleted too. These came over with the course, the blank course template, and as I was doing some house cleaning, I deleted those, and they go here in this massive, very hidden for some reason inside of Canvas, Undelete feature inside of all of our courses. So I've restored that. Let's go back to modules and see if the one was restored or not. I'm going to collapse. Oh, look at that. It took me right to it. And let's go back home. Now that that module was restored, the hidden module number, identifier number that is associated in the system that you and I don't normally see day-to-day, that was restored too, which means this link here, as you can see on the hover state over to the bottom left, is linking to module number 73678 inside my course. Let's see if it goes to that too. Look at that. Now the link works again with that Undelete feature. Hopefully this will save you a little bit of stress or anxiety, or maybe you can retrieve some of your lost artifacts that you've had in your class too. Just simply go back to home and add a /Undelete, your new Canvas best friend. I hope this helps.